Hey everybody, it's Lex from pdq.com. It is that time of year again. Yep, the holidays. Thanksgiving's coming up, and last year's turkey was so well received by the people here at PDQ. They asked me, Lex, will you just go out and buy some dessert? And I know they do that because they know I'm busy, but you know what? There's nothing I wouldn't do for my colleagues here at PDQ. So we're gonna make a pumpkin pie. Not only are we gonna make a pumpkin pie, we're gonna make it special so that people know what kind of a cook I am and how much I do care about them here at PDQ. Today we are going to make the pumpkin spice Spam pie. Now, last year I showed you how to get the Spam out of the can, so just watch that one. I'm going to show you this year how to get the pie crust out, or at least the lid. Is that a lid on there? Is that a lid, Jordan?
Inverted lid, we'll call it.
We're going to get the inverted lid out of here without breaking the pie crust. Now, the good thing about this, right, is if I do break the pie crust, Spam is kind of like glue. I should be able to spackle it all together and we should be good to go with, oh, there it is, check it. Does it get any better than that?
It's your professional work there.
I am a professional. All right, so a couple things we gotta prep. Now you'll notice my Spam's been cut in little triangles. To do that, let me get this out of the way so you can see how it's done. Okay, get the knife. I don't want these too thin, right? Because we're gonna make a layered pie. So you wanna cut it kinda thick, not too thick. There you go. And if you don't wanna touch it with your fingers because it's delicious Spam and I don't wanna ruin it. One sec. Oh yeah, that is delicious Spam. All right, now it's kind of square-ish, I guess. So you're gonna just kind of cut it on a corner to corner basis, and there you have it, guys. Perfect triangle so that we can layer our pie. Now that we got this situated, let's start out by starting with our pie. We are going to, first, we're gonna put a layer of, I'm gonna put this in here because I just know how this is gonna work, guys. Layer of pumpkin in our pie crust.
At Inwood, did you consider doing the pumpkin filling from scratch?
You know, I would, but there's only so much care and consideration I have for people here. No, honestly, I just don't know how to do it. So we're gonna, you notice the care I am taking to make sure it's kind of even in there, okay? Now, the important, ooh, that also smells delightful. The important part here on the layering is we're gonna make a nice design. Now I do realize we are going to end up, whoop, I dropped that, covering this up, but we care so much about everybody that's gonna be eating this that we wanna make a beautiful, beautiful Spam design underneath all of that pumpkin. Here we go. Look at that. I know what you're thinking. How does Lex come up with these ideas? Well, luckily, had a lot of time to myself after last Thanksgiving's turkey to think about what to do for this year. Now, there we go. Design, beautiful. Yes, all right. Now we want to make sure we get that covered up because we want to trap the aroma. We want to seal in the aroma. That's the word I was looking for, not
sure
trap.
That's a cooking technique. You want the aroma to be released to your customers once they get the pie in front of them.
Ooh, yeah, that looks really good. There it is. Yeah, what are you thinking, guys? It's looking good. I know that's sticking out. Don't worry, I'll get it covered. You know what, I'm gonna do a couple more just on top here. We'll cover that up and then we'll have a little pile of pumpkin on top of that. There we go. Someone's gonna get a little extra. Look at that. Look at that, yeah. Apparently can't be too, aggressive with the pumpkin. Is it sauce or is it paste? It's like kind of like tomato paste.
It seems to be like between the two. I'm not sure what you would call that.
All right, it's looking good, guys, and I'm almost done.
You know, it's true what they say that cooking is more art than science,
Absolutely.
And this is gorgeous.
This is true art. All right. There we go. Now, gonna put some whipped cream on there. We've got, what is this, Jordan?
It was on the list.
Dude, it's for rookies.
I just
rookies
buy what you tell me
that.
to.
Okay, I'm gonna put this over here, get it out of the way. We're gonna use Cool Whip, because that's what the professionals use. See? Just what I meant to say was this is for rookies, and we'll just pretend that's a casualty of war. We're gonna. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. See, now I know you guys are worried about that little piece of Spam sticking out there, but I got that covered. I've always wanted to do this. I saw him do this at on the cooking show once, Cooking with Fire, so probably should put my safety goggles on. One sec. Here we go. Torch. Is there anything really flammable around here?
You are
Just
right
my
next to a
apron?
roll of paper towels.
Here we go. Oh, I hear some gas. Oh, more.
Now, what pitch
Yep.
would you say that this is ready to go?
So they do this with creme brulee. Apparently it doesn't work with the Ready Whip. Nope, it doesn't. So we're gonna cover up that mistake.
You know, I think that the attempt will come through in the flavor profile.
That's probably true. That wasn't good. That's okay. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. This is great. It's ready to go. I would normally agree with you.
It looks pretty plain.
But, you know, I've been watching cooking shows, and the people who always win go that extra mile. So we are going to make ours kind of like, have you seen a French silk pie with the little chocolate curls? We're going to do it with Spam. I got my pie chocolate curl thingy. And Jake, I don't know if you can get this. You got to be very careful. Notice the nice thin slice that didn't curl very much. So I'm just going to roll it up. No one will know. There we go. We'll do a couple of those delightful little, there it is. Look at that. Perfect. Again, curl it up so that everybody knows just how close enough, good a chef I really am. There'll be no question as to how delicious. They don't want to stay curled up. Maybe I should put a toothpick in there.
They say that if your meat cuts like a block of cheese, that's how you know it's high quality.
Is that what it is? Mm-hmm. All right, maybe I just need to stick it. There we go. Now, I think we've got it. One last thing. Just to make it artistic, I've got some peppermint patties I've cut in half to just offset so that we've got some color, contrast, and who doesn't like mint with their pumpkin pie and their Spam? All right, well, I'm gonna need to, that really smells good. Yeah, now it smells even better. I don't have to smell it. There's our pie. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some pretty anxious people wanting to eat it. So let me go round up some victims. Hey, Jordan. I appreciate your help. You want some pie? Yeah. Dude, don't act upset. This is an amazing pie. I mean, come on, you helped me get the ingredients. You know exactly what kind of love went into this.
Sanitary with the hairnet.
Thank you. It is the age code. Guess what? Sprinkles for you. Like a lot of sprinkles.
I'll have sprinkles.
Like a little extra whipped cream, or are you good?
You know what? Yes, I would love some. Thank you.
There we go. Oops. Here you go, man. Tell me, what do you think of our Thanksgiving pie? Looks delightful.
See if I can get the plastic fork through the pork with ham product. Oh, I like how the graham cracker crust kind of disintegrates.
Yeah, it'll break apart in your mouth. It's delightful.
I imagine it's just like how my grandma would make Spam and pumpkin pie.
There is no better endorsement than just like Grandma would make.
Delicious.
Delicious.
I'm gonna not go spit this out.
We'll call my boss in. Kelly, dude, I made some pie.
I've been looking forward to this since last year.
Man, that turkey was so good.
It was the best.
You know,
It
I'm
was
gonna
the
cut
best.
you a big piece of pumpkin pie.
Oh,
Look at that. I even got a curl, sprinkles.
no, thank you. Sprinkle free.
a la mode.
Absolutely.
I think that looks delightful. Here you go, man. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, whipped cream, so you don't have to look at that. There you go.
Oh my gosh. That looks disgusting.
Well, just like Grandma made,
No.
much better.
Oh man.
It's a crash of different.
It does. It has like a weird bite.
Yeah.
It's got like a. It's not an aftertaste. It's an after bite.
It's a
it
bite.
bites you back.
If you want, I can cut a piece you can take home.
No, I think this is going to be enough. But
Once again, another satisfied colleague here at work. I'll be expecting a good raise out of this, Kelly.
yeah, keep thinking that. Oh. Wow.
Delightful. All right, so I'm going out on a limb here. I'm climbing the corporate ladder like I was telling y'all. Gonna get some good points with the CFO. Brian, can I give you a delightful slice of pumpkin pie? The other thing, I've got a little something special for you, a la mode. You get no choice, you're getting some. Oh yeah. Here you go, my friend.
That looks lovely.
It is, that's a masterpiece of cooking right there.
That it is.
That was kind of a weak bite, man. I spent all that time and you just a little bitty bite like
The
that.
plastic fork's not cutting into it.
I can cut it up for you if you like. I got a knife.
That is delicious.
Is it? You want some more?
Please.
You know, I wasn't expecting that. Here, I shaved this just for you.
So good it makes the eyes water.
Yeah, it's the aroma is it stings the nostrils. Well, Sean's our CEO. He's here today to enjoy the delicious pie that I made for Thanksgiving. Sean, would you like a big piece of pie or a little piece of pie?
You know what? Let's go little.
What
Wow,
do you,
that's actually pretty good. That's actually really good.
you want another piece?
No.
Why not?
Wow. You're not fired.
I gotta work harder.
Wow.
Well,